Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making a backup. Do this now because deleted saves are often unrecoverable. On consoles, go to System Storage and locate Assassin's Creed Unity files. On PC, check Documents or the Ubisoft Connect folder. Sign into the same Ubisoft account so Cloud Sync doesn't restore the file. Once done, turn off automatic sync temporarily to prevent re-upload. You're creating a safe environment to remove only the targeted save without losing. Now you find the exact save slot to remove. Precision matters. On PlayStation, open Application Save Data and choose the Unity entries to delete. Confirm deletion. On Xbox, manage the game and remove saved data from console storage. Do not choose Delete Everywhere unless you want cloud cleared. On PC, close the game, delete the specific save file in Documents or Ubisoft folder, and then disable Cloud Sync so the save doesn't reappear. This prevents accidental loss of other profiles. You finish by restarting the game to verify the save is truly deleted. Check the load screen and ensure the slot is empty. If everything looks correct, re-enable Cloud Sync so future progress saves normally. If the save reappears, it likely remained in cloud storage. Clear the game's cloud saves in Ubisoft Connect, or restore your backup if you need the old data back. If problems persist, contact Ubisoft support for account-level removal. Keep your backup until resolved.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.